Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox error code 280 on Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. First you just need to open up a browser and search Geek uninstaller and press enter. Select the download option, select the zip and download it. After getting download done, you just need to open the zip file, double click on the Geek application we downloaded and select yes. Now type here Roblox. Right click on the Roblox player and select a force removal option and select yes. Make sure everything is checked and select the finish option to delete all the leftover files. After getting uninstalled Roblox, you just need to open up new tab and search Roblox download. Press enter, select download Roblox site, select the download Windows app. After getting download and click on it and install the Roblox. After getting installed and now you can able to play Roblox without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.